I just got this box out of my linen cupboard and just put all the gift wrap in there. And I've also got in the drawer in the buffet. This is where I normally keep wrapping paper and stuff, so there's cards and more in here. So I'll have to have a dig through that as well and put those ones in there as well. Just got to hide it from Scarlett because if she sees it, she'll go through it. And I don't really want her looking in there. Little nosy. She loves when I've been shopping. Such a girl. So for my meal prep this week, I did the same as usual. Went through the big freezer and the little freezer. Worked out what I've got in there. I've worked out some meals. I've left a couple of blanks because sometimes you have leftovers and that kind of stuff. And I don't know what I feel like tonight, so I didn't put anything on tonight's one. But we're going to have spaghetti and meatballs with salad and one of the garlic breads on Friday, which is tomorrow. Maybe a barbie Saturday. That'll use one pack of the sausages and the steak. We'll do teriyaki chicken with probably rice, I'd say, on Monday. Maybe some broccoli on the side. Tuesday, deviled sausages, mash and veggies. So that'll use the other pack of sausages we have. And Wednesday, I don't know. And I've still got a pack of tofu in the fridge I'm going to use too. So I'm thinking I might buy a teriyaki packet, like I've got 2 in the pantry, and I might do mine without chicken. I might just do mine tofu and veggies instead. So that sounds pretty good. I was just thinking I probably don't really need to go to Spud Shed now that I've checked everything that we have. I was thinking potatoes and stuff, but the veggies really don't last very long. I need the potatoes. I bought a bag of potatoes the other week and they started growing really fast. So I think I might just bite the bullet, pay an extra few dollars and grab a bag from Aldi. I need some more fruit as usual. And veggies wise, I need onions as well. I need a few veggies, but not too much. So shopping shouldn't be too expensive this week anyway. Just got my Healthy Life book out. There's a recipe I want to do this week. So it is a signature gluten-free loaf. I don't have any problem with gluten at all, but look at this, it just looks so good. So I'm just gonna buy the stuff for that. I've got most of the ingredients. It does have a few in there, but yeah, and you can freeze it. So I'm thinking I might make it, cut it into pieces exactly like that, and just wrap them up individually and put it in the freezer. I reckon that'll be really good. It's really high in fibre, this loaf, so it's good. I wrote a few things down that I want to get from Woolworths, but there's probably a few things that Aldi might have. I'm not sure if they sell psyllium husk and almond meal. I don't think they sell almond meal. They might do psyllium husk, but I'll have a look and see. And I need to get some more coffee from Woolworths too. I just made myself coffee in here. But when I tipped the sachet in, I tipped the bloody cup over, so a lot of the powder fell out, so I put 2 in there, and it's so sweet. Just like Aldi, just waiting for James to come up with the trolley. Get something for dinner, just something quick. We're going to buy takeaway, and I'm like, no, let's just get something we can pop in the freezer. And I'll have something light and easy. Say hi, Henry.
Hi, Henry.
Nice. Well, I'm not finding any almond meal in Aldi, so that's a bit of a pain in my ass. Cranberry sauce. Well, not that would be like on the turkey, and applesauce right there. Oh my god. I'm so excited for Christmas. I need some pink Himalayan salt tree bag. There's some here, but that's a shaker. I like these. They're $4. Pretty good value actually. But I want to get a bag. Can you see any bags of salt, babe? Sweet and salty popcorn. These meal prep containers in Aldi look so good. This one's got like the like the big half section and then the 2/4. It's wicked. And they're $7.99. It reckons that you can use them up to 10 times, so that's pretty cool. 7-pack of pair. BPA free. Ask my husband. Oh, there it's gone. He loves this meal bit. Oh god, look at that. Oh, tractor. That's awesome. love Aldi's stuff in the middle bit. It's so cool. Oh, there he is.
Register 2, please.
What are you looking at, love? Bin bags?
10.
Oh god.
But it's
129 bucks. Not bad. Papa's kid. Poor James, he just wants to go home. And he's trying to find the bloody thing to take the Aldi trolley back. It's disappeared. Oh my god, where is? Okay guys, my phone's really flat. I need to tell you what we got from Aldi. Got 2 of them, some barbecue shapes, 2 dozen eggs, some of those morning break chocolate things. These nut bars look really bloody good. These ones are peanut choc flavour and these ones are choc almond and cranberry. Sharp loose. Got 2 packets of muffins. Go sit with Dad, Hutto. It'll be 5 minutes. It'll be 5 minutes. No. Yeah, I'm doing dinner in 2 seconds. I'm going to put something in the oven. Some chips, frozen chips. We've got 2 packs of schnitzels. Here, Jai. Take them, please. Put them on the trays. And some chips as well from some. What have we got here?
How much each tray, too?
No, fill it up. Fill up the tray. I've got 4 and I need to do chips and those. Wash your hands. Yeah, sorry. Blueberry flavoured fruit bar things. I've got my teriyaki stir fry sauce that I wanted for my tofu. Pack of spiral noodles. My basil's going really good at the moment and I've got all the stuff to make. Pesto. I've got some wet wipes naturally around the house. I've got another one for James for his car. And wet wipes. Should be called a million things. Oh my god, they're just amazing. You can just clean so much stuff with them. I'm just lost for words. Some AA batteries, 30 pack. I think they're alright. Some of these truffle cut fries. Hash browns, some more hash browns, some chocolate coated ice creams, some Kiwi-Winks, some skim milk, another packet of chips, that one's empty, 2 litres of milk. Why did I get 2 litres of milk? That's weird. Oh, I know, because I grabbed the other flavoured milk. I've got an almond milk for the bread I want to make. I couldn't find the bloody stuff I needed either. Almond meal or whatever. Chocolate and a strawberry milk. And that's it for that one. And I got a 4 kilo bag of potatoes. They look really good. They're $5. But I'm hoping they'll last longer than stupid Spudched, so... what else did I buy? Red capsicums, some more of my favourite tomatoes. Oh my god, so good. Avocados were so cheap, like $1.20 or something each. I got 4 of those. I've got 2 that won't be ready yet and 2 that are kind of good to go. Another big bag of apples. That's our second bag of apples for this week, so that's really good. Hey Luce! Hey Luce! And bananas. There's just a couple of things we picked up from things. Girls Vampire Wig was $15. That was $3.50. Pretty weird. Hutto's found his outfit back. He's tried the... Oh.
Now you look at the back of his head. Anyone cannot see what's happening here. It's too big for this costumes in this and now.
Oh. God.
Let me see the video.
I
Hudson,
was
you
just looking
missed.
at the food storage containers that I bought, and it's got this little brochure thing in it, and it shows you 3 compartment, 1 compartment, guided snacks. Those are the different ones you can get. They're pretty cool. And then when you open it up, it's actually got some recipes. So you've got turmeric, scrambled egg, apple barbecue meatloaf, and pesto chicken. So weird. Yeah, so that looks pretty good. Just doing some meal prep for the week. I'm just boiling some eggs. I've got 8 in there. I've got my quinoa cooking in here. This will be to have with lunches during the week. I've got some turkey mince out. I'm going to make myself some turkey meatballs as well. It's beautiful pigeon. Colour on like a ranger. Oh, like a chocolate colour, isn't he? Beautiful. And look at the size of these little finches in here. They're tiny.
What sort of pigeons are they, right? Are they arches?
Yeah, but they're some
Oh, they're so cute. No, not ducklings, the chickens. Oh, they're so gorgeous. Gilbert Rhode Island red cheeks ×6. Wow. True. So they're unsexed though. It's a bit scary, isn't it? Hi, Lammies. Hi, Lammies. Aww. Oh, I wonder how old they are. So cute. Hi, Lammies. Hi, Lammies.
yeah. Don't let them bite them.
Oh my gosh, yeah,
Not
don't
they bite.
pat them. Yeah. Hello, big fat piggies. Hello. Look at your head, it's huge. Oh my god,
He is big.
it's so hairy. Is that you, babe?
Oh, look at that one.
Pink one in the corner. Oh my god, I wonder how much they'll sell for.
Probably $100
You can
bucks.
touch this now. Just get your hand open.
Oh my gosh, look at the polka dot one.
As you go away, just relax.
Yeah.
Just touch the polka dot one.
Yeah, smelly. You're smelly.
He likes that.
You're a little pig.
Come here. He likes
Yuck. What are you doing?
that. No.
Thank you. There's a horse. Here, just beautifully driving his bum on the fence. More sheep over there. So I've had a big night out. Getting home from Woolworths, just called there and got the majority of my stuff. I think the only thing I didn't get was peanut butter, I said to James. So, but once we get it all in, I'll show you what I got. Got some different stuff today, so I quite enjoyed shopping in there. So Joe's money going in for like 2 things. So, bring me some. I was taking this one. I'm like, bring me some bags, please. So, stock up the house again for the week. God. Okay, I'm unpacking onto my bench today. My table has folding up all over it, so do what you gotta do. Anyhow, I went to Woolies and I picked up these turkey minces. They're normally 2 for $11 and I got them for $3.42 each. So I actually grabbed the whole last 6 that are there because I was just saying to James before, I wanted to get one because I want to do a big 1 pot of like chili, so turkey chili. So that would be nice. And what else? some Zupa Dupas, a box of skim cappuccinos. I haven't had any normal coffee in my house for a few days. I've been drinking tea. So, and they were half price. They were cheaper than getting the box. The big box I normally buy. So, it was good. Another passata. I made cannelloni the other night and it was amazing. So I've got some cannelloni tubes left in the pantry, so I want to make that again this week with something. A bottle of balsamic vinegar. I've got some tunas. They're just spring water ones, tuna chunks and spring water. I've got 4 of those. Hardo and Scarlett really like the plain ones. Some condensed tomato soup. That is for the chili. And I also got some beans. And these ones were actually organic and they were cheaper than like a normal brand one. They were $1.50 or 60. So yeah, I was quite happy to get that. If you can get organic with anything, really, you're better off, you know, getting it in. Especially if it's cheaper, it's win-win. So that's cool. So there for my chili, I got 3 red kidney beans. Picked up some cereal. So these were on special for $5. The kids really like this one. This is a one with like 25% of your daily iron in it. So yeah, I really like that one. The kids like those little, look like popcorn. They're just like really sweet. So get that one, and I normally get the other one with apricots in it, but I thought we'd give the cranberries and blueberry one a go. That looks pretty good. Also got a box of wheat bix as well. Big box. What is that? A kilo? 1.2 kilo box. It's been in a cereal for a while. I've got my almond meal for that bread that I want to make as well. That was like $9 for the bag, so it's not cheap. 400 gram bag. And a psyllium husk, I think that was about, I want to say $6. I actually haven't had psyllium husk for a long time. I know years back when I was trying to lose weight, my sister and I would always add it to stuff, and it just helps keep you like feeling full. Got some pink Himalayan salt, just the table salt. I feel like my salt pig, it's like completely like empty at the moment. Picked up the free issue of the Fresh magazine. It looks really good. I got some like after dinner mints to put away for Christmas. I got a few different things from the deli. What did we get? Some salami. Some chicken breast, that's 3. There's only 3 small ones in there, $6. That was alright. And I got some ham. And I also grabbed this jalapeno natural slices. So it's Colby cheese with jalapeno peppers in it. Looks so good. So I'm going to make James some lunch in a minute. I got a 3 litre high-low milk, and I got some yogurt. I was going to get this ones, the little 6-pack, like individual ones, but I thought, nah, these are only $4 for a kilo, and the little ones worked out 1.2 kilos, and they were 5. I think they were 5. So I just thought, nah, stuff it. I'll just grab the tubs. And I got the 0, no added sugar, and no fat ones, so good for my husband. I got some olive oil, so the litre one. I always get the mellow like one. I don't like strong tasting olive oil at all. Got some Nesquik. Harlow loves his chocolate milk in the morning. Got one of those. Oh, I saw this too. This looks so good. Stubbs Hickory Bourbon Legendary Barbecue Sauce. I'm so gonna make a pulled pork with that. It's gonna be to die for. $5. Was it 5 or 4? It was either, yeah, it was like save $1. Who cares? I got some more coffee, so I ended up 3 of those. So that's cool. Keep me going for a while. I got some more almond milk as well. Get the unsweetened one, so no added sugar, so that's good. Got some more sun-dried tomatoes, and one of those I'm going to make James's lunch with that. I've got jar of Makona, so this one is classic 8. And tomato soup over there again. And I've got some shampoo and conditioner. Fructus. Garnier. Yeah, so conditioner. Just says nourishing, so that looks nice. I got some muffin mixes to make up for the kids and James for during the week. Cinnamon crumble and blueberry, so I'll make them all up and I'll freeze them in Ziploc bags. And then, yeah, the kids can grab one out in school mornings. I've got a couple of red capsicums. They weren't cheap in there, but it was just like, who cares, I'm here. Some eggs. I actually had to send James to swap this for the other carton we had because there was a broken one. So, and I got this carton for $2.37. So, yeah, that was alright. I like cheap eggs. Kids can eat them. And I picked up some of these Turkish rolls. Oh my god, these things are so good. We took these camping. I don't know if I showed you. I think I was vlogging before and I was making these, or I don't know if I showed you. But I went to Coles probably last week and I bought 2 packets like that and some small, like skinnier, longer ones. And I made them all up and froze them in the freezer with some foil and stuff. And yeah, we took some camping and put them like in the fire, not on over the flames, but heated them up through there. And oh my god, they were so good. Just needed some tomato relish or something like that. I got some blueberries. There's like $1.90 a punnet, so that's cool. I'm gonna let Jai have some of them. He loves blueberries. He always steals them. I got a little tub of hummus. We actually used the whole thing of hummus, so quite happy with that. Rolled oats, they're all cheap. They're like $1.20 for a kilo. I don't know, 750 gram bag, so still cheap. And I got some more ricotta, so that'll be for my cannelloni. And I got some more Greek yogurt because the one I bought the other day is that thick. It's not even funny, so I might mix it with a bit of normal, just thin it down a little bit. It's just like ridiculous.